In this video, we are going to practically apply what we have learned earlier in this practice assignment or the test assignment, where we have a simple data of different drivers who are delivering the orders of different items. The number of items are this. It is loaded in these particular trucks and it goes to these destinations. So we have some of the data, but it's incomplete. As we can see, the two columns needs to be filled. On our right, we have a lot of requirements, but first of all, we need to fill in the complete data. Now the data is not complete because we have all the items along with the quantities that we have to load in the truck and deliver to different destinations, but we don't have the price of these items. Where's the price? If we scroll towards right, there we have the price list. So this means we need to extract all of these prices. It should automatically be picked up here using a simple formula that's able to do it for you, because manually it will take you a lot of time. Even though if you filter, if you put the prices, still every time we need to consider something, that even if it is 25 rows of data, you need to consider a technique that can work even in 25,000 rows. So in 25,000 rows, it will take you a lot of time to extract the prices manually. What we will use as a formula. Just stop it until this point. Think it by yourself. I want you to pause this video completely. Think it by yourself. What formula will be used? Try it and only then just resume the video to see the solution, because I'm going to explain it to you within the same video. But first of all, you need to identify in what situations what formula should work. Until now, you might have figured out what formula will be used, but let me just show you. On our right, we have the price list. So what we will do is we need to see this item in the vertical sequence. And when we find the item, we need to go in the parallel column to see the results and then extract it here. So this is called VLOOKUP. You are searching for the product price vertically in the order of price list. And when we locate that particular item, only then we will go in the parallel column to see the results. So let's select this whole range, name it as price list, or otherwise, if you want to give a gap, we can use underscore here. Space is not allowed. Hit enter. Now we can easily use this equals to VLOOKUP. Lookup value is what? Item. We need to see it in the table array. So either we can select this whole two columns. It makes it easier even if we have further data. Or what we can do is we can select this range, but in that way we have to fix this. But the fixing issue is solved since we have already named it as price list. As you can see, even if we selected the range like this, it still shows the price list as the table array. So that's perfect. When we find this product in this particular list, where do you want to locate the price? In the second column. So second column is the column index number. And this is the situation of exact match where we are finding for the same product, and it's not an upper or lower limit from which we have to find a tax rate or a discount rate. Only in that situations approximate match should apply. So here this is exact match because we are just finding the price of the TV or any relevant product. Exactly. So close the bracket, hit enter. Now here is a question. Before dragging it down, do we need to fix this lookup value? No, we don't, because when we drag down, it will automatically pick the item in the next row for washing machine, and that's exactly what we want. Always locate in the same table array. That should not move, but the products will change and that extract the prices. Double click to send it down and we have the prices for all the items in a single click. After that, when we got the prices, we got the number of items. What is the sales total that we have made? It's very simple. Just apply a multiplication formula. This multiply by this. This gives us the results. Double click to send it down again. And if you want to bring it to a comma style, just go to the home tab and apply the comma, and we can reduce the decimal places however we want. So this is the requirement one that needs to be done, and this is how you can do it. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.